Hello, welcome to Kyle's Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the process of me making this digital design on my phone. I'm using the Note 20 Ultra, but I got this idea from um, just looking at a light bulb and wanted to do something, draw scenery inside a light bulb. So that is what I did. If you guys do enjoy this kind of content and the kind of art that I do, make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button for more of this kind of art that I do on the channel. And if you guys got any questions or concern on anything in Infinite Painter, or if you guys want to see me draw something, let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to get that video out for you guys. But hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next drawing video. Thanks for watching.